again a simple add-on, and that is the Bendy bone handles add-on. Here you see a cube. I divided it a few times, like so. If you press Shift A, armature bendy bone, you don't see anything, but if you press this button, show X-ray, press 5 and then 1 on the numeric keypad to have a view like this. Select the bone if that's possible. That's possible. And then I select you scale it like this, you will see it later. Then if you select the object, then the bone, right, then Control P with automatic weights. Then select the bone, Control Tab, and you can go in pose mode. And now you can, let's go in better view. So now you can deform the object. You can scale it, rotate it like that, or rotate on the X, Y, etc. Let's try that. So we go in object mode, select this one, then add modifier, let's say subdivision, 2 times, add a bevel modifier, put that on angle, obviously, add also weight normal, go to this tab, normal auto smooth, not sure if you have to do this, actually. So you have something like that. Now if you select this the bone and the object together, Shift D, X, and so you can go in pose mode and make a variation on it, like that. Let's see what we have. So that might come in handy. There are more ways to do things like this, but I thought this is quite intuitive sometimes. Yeah, for me it's handy. It's not in the M panel, so I don't have to look for it here. Just press Shift A, armature bendy bone. Alright.